Hey, do a dance. Do your dance, Rob.
What dance?
You know what dance.
I don't know what dance.
Quit trying to hide it. You were doing it all night.
No, that's Kenny.
No, Derek, do a dance. Rob's got the power. He's fucking dancing all night. He's a fucking liar. Oh, fuck, I just missed him.
Don't say this, don't say that, change your lyrics. Everybody's a critic.
Derek, that's how he works, really. Get her done! Yeah, Bernie doesn't know how to operate the crane. Look at him smiling. It's his first time, you can tell. Bernie. Rob doesn't even know how to read a tape measure. That's why he's got Derek over there assisting him. What? Yeah, I'm coming. Alright. Fucking guy, man. All he wants to do is work. Till next time. Peace.